few minutes, they'll be doing opening ceremonies for Iron Gwazi. Got a little speaker and podium set up. And got a DJ blasting.
Tonight we celebrate the opening of our 10th roller coaster, Iron Gwazi. You're almost there. With more roller coasters than any theme park in the state, Busch Gardens is the thrill capital of Florida. But we are so much more than that. With a fully accredited zoo with thousands of animals representing more than 200 species, with world-class entertainment and exciting seasonal events all year long, like the Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival, which you can sample tonight. And with Tampa's Island Paradise, Adventure Island, where this year we are debuting 2 new water slides. We have for everyone. But that's not what makes our park special. You see, what makes our parks come alive every day are the thousands of ambassadors who are dedicated to creating unforgettable experiences. It is our people who create experiences that matter, experiences that thrill, experiences that inspire, and experiences that you can do together with your friends and family. Our ambassadors make the difference, and I am honored to work alongside each of them. To the hundreds of people who have worked on Iron Gwazi and everything we have done to bring this incredible attraction to life, I thank you. And now, we are just moments away from launching our first show riders to kick off tonight's celebration. On board, representing the many heroes on the front lines of the global pandemic, please welcome our partners from Tampa General Hospital. So I got a question for you. Are you ready to release the beast? With the push of that button, Iron Gwazi will officially be open. So please join me in a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Iron Gwazi. Enjoy the night.
I left my camera in the locker, but we're in line to ride Iron Gwazi at nighttime too. Just got off of Iron Gwazi, my first ride at night. I rode in front row and in back row twice. Seriously, such an incredible ride. At nighttime, it's that much better, especially if you're in the back row. You cannot see where you're going. You're just getting flown around all over the place. Man, this is such a good ride. Literally, easily my favorite ride at Busch Gardens, and it has definitely climbed to my favorite ride in Florida. Now it's time to test some of the foods that'll be at the Food and Wine Festival. Ooh, everything looks good. What's this? Oh, popcorn, kettle chips. Everything looks so good. There's some mac and cheese, chicken, bacon bits, and so I've been to Food and Wine Festival at Busch Gardens for the past couple years. I know their food is good, but they got macaroni and cheese, kettle chips and cheese, beef, chicken. I'm ready. I'm gonna try one of these kettle chips out. Man, that's good. Some chicken. See this macaroni. See how this is. That is good. Honestly, haven't had macaroni and cheese in a long time. Is it really this good? Iron Gwazi going up like crazy in the background, people screaming. This thing is so stinking cool. I'm gonna have to do it. I love this ride so much. I love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our night with the opening ceremonies of Iron Gwazi. It's finally officially open. I'm so glad that I can just ride it and ride it and ride it and ride it. I had so much fun. Thanks for sticking along. Our top like comment on our recent video of Animal Kingdom's Tree of Life comes once again from Bad Guy. He says, thanks for the shout out and also nice vid that this is his second favorite park. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.